You eat healthy. You don't overdo the sugar. You try to avoid processed food. And yet, by the afternoon, your belly feels tight, swollen, and uncomfortable. Sometimes even painful. You loosen your waistband. You stop enjoying your food. You start to wonder, is something wrong with me? The good news is, in most cases no. There's nothing seriously wrong. But there is something out of balance. Bloating isn't just extra gas. It's your digestive system telling you, hey, I'm overwhelmed, help me out. So what causes it? First, air. You swallow air without realizing it, when you eat too fast, chew gum, sip carbonated drinks, or talk while eating. That air gets trapped in your stomach and intestines, building pressure. Second, low stomach acid. It might sound weird, but not having enough acid is more common than having too much. When stomach acid is low, food doesn't break down properly. Undigested particles move into your intestines where they ferment, causing bloating, belching, and discomfort. Third, gut microbiome imbalance. If the balance of good versus bad bacteria in your gut is off, even slightly, it affects digestion. Bad bacteria produce gas when they break down certain carbs and fiber. That gas builds up and stretches your abdomen. You feel full, tight, sometimes nauseous. Fourth, hormones. Especially for women. Hormonal shifts, during the menstrual cycle, perimenopause, or due to stress, can affect fluid retention and digestion, making bloating worse. So what can you do about it? Here's a 3-step, science-based routine to fix bloating naturally. Step 1. Chew slowly and mindfully. Eat without distractions. No TV, no scrolling. Chew each bite at least 15-20 times. This helps digestion begin in the mouth, not just in the stomach. Also, sit up straight when eating. Slouched posture compresses the gut and slows digestion. Step 2. Drink a glass of warm lemon water with a pinch of sea salt 15 minutes before meals. This gently boosts stomach acid, primes the digestive system, and signals the liver to release bile. Bile breaks down fats, and helps prevent that heavy, sluggish post-meal feeling. After eating, go for a short walk. Just 5 to 10 minutes of movement improves gut motility, meaning your food moves through faster, with less gas buildup. Step 3. Support your gut bacteria. Every day, eat one probiotic-rich food. Yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, whatever you like. Or take a probiotic supplement with at least 5 billion CFUs and multiple strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Don't forget prebiotics either. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and oats feed the good bacteria and help them thrive. Bonus: avoid artificial sweeteners like sorbitol or xylitol, often found in sugar-free gum or protein bars. They ferment fast and cause gas, even in small amounts. Try this 3-step routine for 7 days. You'll likely notice less pressure after meals, less visible bloating, a flatter, calmer stomach, and more confidence without changing what you eat. Bloating doesn't need expensive detoxes, fancy teas, or food eliminations. It just needs balance, patience, and a little science. Subscribe to 3 Minute Medi for more fast, real, and research-based health fixes, all in under 4 minutes.